Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Trello, a user-friendly tool that can transform how you manage Agile projects. Whether you're new to Agile or looking for a simple way to boost team productivity, this guide will get you started. Trello's visual approach to project management makes it ideal for Agile workflows. Here's how to set up your Agile board. Create a new board. Log into Trello and click Create New Board. Name it after your project and choose a background color or image to personalize it. Set up lists for workflow stages. Add lists to represent each stage of your workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. For Agile teams, you might also include lists like backlog and sprint planning. Add and assign tasks. Create cards for individual tasks or user stories by clicking Add a Card. Write a concise title and description. Attach files if needed, and assign team members to specific tasks. Use labels and due dates. Organize your board further by adding labels to categorize tasks, e.g., high priority or bug fix. Set due dates to ensure your team stays on track. Track progress with automations and integrations. Explore Trello's power-ups and integrations, like calendar views or connections with tools like Slack and Google Drive. Automations can help streamline repetitive actions, saving time for your team. Trello's simplicity and flexibility make it perfect for Agile teams aiming to stay organized and productive. Have you used Trello for Agile project management? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.